All right, so day 2 of our owners rally here at the Motor Enclave in Tampa Bay, Florida for the Grech RV experience. We just popped up on what is, I think, one of the coolest experiences here, being a Grech RV owner. Chef Anthony, all the way from Italy, who has dubbed Chef Wendy and Chef Patty over here with honorary chef titles, as he teaches our Grech RV owners the ways of cooking out of their Grech RV, which is super cool. So, Chef Wendy, how's everything going with you? What do you think about this experience?
Fantastic. Do you want to take a little picture of our appetizer?
Oh, is this the final appetizer concoction?
Appetizer, but I ate part of it.
Okay, all right. It's so good, you just can't wait to just get in there and eat. So what are you mixing up right now in the mixing bowl?
We had egg yolk, Parmigiano,
pecorino,
and pecorino,
and
cracked peppers.
All right, and then Patty, what are you working on over there? What do you got going on over there?
We have pancetta.
Okay.
Actually, it's guanciale. Guanciale is very easy. It's not very easy to remind, but guanciale. You can use pancetta or breakfast bacon, that is similar, but guanciale is the original item to make
Which is the cheap.
the cheap, not the fresh. Pure cheap. The same way I was made the bacon or pancetta. So pure salt, pepper, and thyme, and then we have the final product that is crispy one and our pan. Yeah. All right.
So not only are we learning some amazing cooking, tips and tricks, but we're also brushing up on our Italian.
Yeah.
Right? Mambo Italiano. Chef, what is the cool part about this experience with you? Because normally you have a little bit more room, right, in your kitchen, but now with being able to cook inside of a Grech RV, if you can do this, you can do anything, right?
I would not. I mean, the other can say that, not myself. But this is second experience because, as really knows, we did already 3 days shooting in Nepal, and it is my second time that I cook in the Grech RV. It's as nice like the first one, but also better and nicer because I have all owners that we are explaining how to cook in a professional, semi-professional way in our vans. And so the first video was for the public, but I didn't have to interact with nobody. But now I have the owners around me, and I am very happy about it.
You've made new friends and new sous chefs.
Yes.
Yes. All right, that's a win. Well, we'll let you guys get back to it because we know you're deep in the cooking, so we don't want to disturb. But thank you guys so much for taking the time. What do you think? Do you think this is going to change your cooking experience and your level of what you're able to make outside of your or inside of your Grech RV?
Inside and outside of my Grech RV. But we just got ours. So
nice.
I told my husband, don't be thinking I'm going to make gourmet meals. That's what I was saying. But I might change my mind on that.
There you go. Now you're being inspired.
This could work.
I love that. I love that. All right, we'll let you guys get to it. Have fun.